Oh my God, look at the dead soldiers, sports fans. It's happening. What did you do out there today?
It was perfect.
The perfect storm.
Perfect storm.
All right, and how about you?
Cuddle, make them splash.
There you go. Josh, what happened out there on St. Paul today?
The Aleutian Island waterfowl at its best.
All right. Mark, you got a couple nice birds for your first day out. Good job.
Simply amazing, that's all I can say.
All right. Oh my God, look at this. This isn't even right, folks. Somebody better call the cops because we murdered him. Oh, I forgot, we got the cops with us.
Getting it done on the holidays.
All right.